Hey guys, this is Chad. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel, and today we're going to take a look at the June 2019 drone drop box. So Cameron and the guys have promised us that this is going to be the biggest box that we have got ever. Due to a couple slip-ups and mishaps the past couple months, we had a shipping delay, we had like some arms that came with a frame that weren't cut properly. Everything has been handled. Everybody got the replacement arms. I did. All that good stuff. Last month's box showed up. Everything was great. So let's take a look at what is inside this biggest box ever. I think you're going to be pretty happy if you're a subscriber. So there's so much stuff inside here. It's actually pretty exciting here to open up and show you guys what all is going on. So first of all, of course, we have the usual awesome sticker sheet going on there. We have 3 packs of these brand new, I think, Cyclone 5043C Pro props, which are in this new packaging. You can take a look at what those look like here real quick. Pretty nice looking dowel prop there. Popo compatible, of course. We have a 3-pack of battery anti-slip pads going on here, and we have an ethics beanie, and then here we go inside here. Triumph SMA, awesome. The UNIFY Pro Nano 32, this is the one that runs off 5 volts and will go up to 400 milliwatts. Awesome VTX, using one of those myself. And in here we have the Micro Predator V4. So a sweet camera, a sweet VTX, antenna, beanie, props, the battery pad, all kinds of good stuff. That's definitely worth more than a $40 value this month for sure. This box here definitely lives up to the name Premium Parts. Good job, guys. Thanks a lot. That's it.